How to build 6 feet sentiment green clear tree. How to assemble it and put it all together. So this is a new tree. I don't think I've seen this type before, but then the stand comes in 4 parts and you actually have to put it in the little slots that comes in the bottom of the tree. So I need help to put this up. So this gentleman is helping me at work to put it together. It was interesting to see how it came together. And then also it's easy to take off. So here I'm just trying to see if I can take it off. So if you have this and you want to disassemble it, put it away, it's easy to just pull it out and everything comes off. So now this is how it looks like in the box when you open it. This only comes in 2 sections, sometimes 3 sections. So it comes with part A, B, and C. And you can see how the bottom looks like, the bottom of the tree. And this is actually the stand. So you have to actually put it in, insert the like a little wings, insert it in the little slots there like that. So you just have to, so you have to turn the tree upside down and then put the stand in those little slots in the bottom of it. And you just slide it in and then you can hear that little click. Then you know that it's really in and stays in fit. So that's what it looks like. And it was interesting to see. And then once you put it on the flat surface, it should be stable. And one tip I would say is before you build this tree, always any kind of tree you are building, make sure you find a place which is closer to the outlet on your wall. So that will make it easy. Once you finish, it'll be easy for you to plug it in and for the light to come on. And so once that is done, you always have to open your branches. Make sure they all open up really nicely. When you do it this way, it makes your job very easy. When you are starting to decorate, it's easy for you to put on your decorations quickly because all the branches have been opened up very well and it makes your tree very, very nice. And then also because of the fullness, where you make sure there is no gaps in between the trees, really makes it look nice. So I show you how to actually open them. It's just a little patient and then make them really full, really nice. And they always open so easily. They are not stiff or anything at all. They are very flexible. So this is a sentiment green clear tree. The leaves are very soft. They are not that rigid or pinching your skin when you are using it. It's always best to put on gloves when you are putting on assembling your tree because sometimes you get those tongues or, those little pinch from the leaves or even the actual tree's branches on your arm. And so if you wear gloves, it helps a lot. So once part A, which is the bottom one, you already opened them up. Now you can put the second one, which is part B. You see this comes in a square form. And then you see the line, the square also shows you how to put it in and then it just fits right in. Once that is in, all you have to do is just start opening these branches out as well. And when you are doing this, assembling your tree, some trees, depending on how tall they are, it's going to take you some time to put them, all the branches out and make it neat. But some of the trees also are just easy to do if they are not that tall, especially this is only the 6 feet. tall, so it's easy to manage and do it quickly. But if you have a 9 feet tall tree, then you are going to be needing a ladder to be standing on it to get to the top and make it all nice. And so it depending on how you can manage your trees. And if you know you don't have the time, then don't buy a tall tree, which is can be a little daunting to manage to make it neat. You can see all those trees on there. I built all of them. Some were easy because they are not that tall. Some were like 9 feet, which I have to be standing on a ladder to get to the top of them to put them, to make them neatly. So if you have that tall of a tree at home, you have to know that you're going to need a ladder to stand on it to be able to make every part of the tree open up very well. And now once you have to find all the plugs that comes with them and then put them together, you can see these have a red label. That makes it easy for you to see which plugs goes with what. It's easy to find the plugs from the beginning. Each section you put in, find the plug that goes with the next section. So then it makes your work very easy. So you don't have to finish and then start looking to where to find the plugs to plug in. We can see this tree has already been opened, it's ready. There is not much to do with this now. All the gaps have been filled. And all you have to do now is just try to turn on the light and make sure that the light is working before you start putting on your ornaments. That way, if something is not working, you can fix it right away instead of putting all your ornaments or decorations before realizing the lights are not working. So now you can just plug it in. That's why it's always, see now the light is on, and then you just have to check all the sections to make sure that every section is light up. And then you can see this sentiment green clear tree, all the sections are light up, so that means all the plugs has been plugged in correctly, so everything looks neat. And so when you add your ornament and all your garland, your decorations, this should come out very nice in your home. You can see it's very stable. I'm surprised because of how the base look like, but this looks so neat. And you can move this around and it will still be intact. It's not going to fall. Well, and that's how you build a sentiment green clear tree. If this helps you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos like this. It has been fun building a Christmas tree. You can see all the trees behind there. I've built them all. I've learned a lot about Christmas trees, and I hope this helps you to build your Christmas tree this year. Thank you for watching all the time.